Hello lovelies, I am Tanya the Butterfly Teacher. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am talking about the brand new Erin Condren Academic Planner because back to school is here. Can you believe that? It is back to school time. Oh my goodness! I am giving this planner away for free. So be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how to enter the planner giveaway so that you can be the lucky person to win this planner. Before we jump into the academic planner, I want to remind you that I did a detailed review of the teacher backpack. It's called a teacher backpack, but really this backpack can be used by anyone. College students, high school students, nurses, homeschooling parents, so many different people would enjoy this backpack, and I have lots of detailed specs on it. That video is linked in the description below. Let's jump into this really cute academic planner. This is not my favorite cover design, but I do like, it's almost like a neutral to me because it's not like a super bright pop of color. But as you can see, it matches really beautifully with the platinum coil. So let's dig into it. By the way, this is another part of the back to school collection. This is the gold bookmark. It's a gold bookmark ruler. It's really pretty and it's heavy. Like it's got good weight to it. Here are the ruler measurements. On one side centimeters, the other side inches. This ruler retails for $12 for this collection, so that's kind of neat. I like that. It's not my favorite item in the collection, but I do like it. So we open up to our name page, and then the months go from July 2022, December 2023. We have our dates, observances, and then a class schedule. If you're using this academic planner and you're currently not in school, which before you discredit it, this planner can be used if you're a project manager, event manager. I would recommend this planner to someone who's like a wedding planner, and you'll see why in just a minute. But if you have any type of project management or any event planning, you would like this planner. But you would not need the class schedule, obviously. No, don't worry about that. You can cover this with sticker, washi tape, scrapbook paper, and still use this page maybe as a notes page or use it in a different way. But this is an academic planner, so for a student, here's your class schedule page, and it's duplicated on the back, and then you have a notes page, front and back. So the monthly spread looks very similar to what we've seen before with Erin Condren planners, especially with almost a more minimal design. There are people who don't like the fact that these colors are here for some of the text, and I can understand that. If you are designing your spread, you probably just want something like black text. So now we get into, we have goals, a bullet point section, events, and a note section. Projects and exam. This is why I would recommend this planner even if you are not a student, because this gives you an overview of all your upcoming projects. And you don't have to just be a student to have projects. For me, as an example, as a teacher creating curriculum, then I would put what curriculum I am creating, what projects I have coming up for August, the dates that they're due, when they're completed, and any important details. So any type of project management work, any type of event planning, this could work for you. And then as we continue, this layout. I really like this layout. Here you have so many options for what you would put there. Maybe you could put appointments in one, regular notes here in the bigger section, and then your to-do list. And that's the layout. all the way up until Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday is more condensed. This kind of reminds me just a little bit of the new vertical compact layout. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on that. But as we continue through each month, that's the layout for the academic planner. And I really like this. I've been brainstorming like, I could put, you know, like self-care, how many steps a day, how many waters a day, like make this a habit tracker section, and then details for projects, to-do list. So that could work. So I'm coming back with more ideas. At the end of the month, you get a few notes pages, and that's how every month is laid out. Now let's go to the back. It goes all the way to August. Let's look and see what they have. Okay. You have a few extra notes, more than what we normally see after each month. This is the very end of the planner. And then you have stickers. And these stickers are tailored to if you were a student using these. I love the ombre effect. I hope you can see it. I hope my lighting is not disturbing the ombre effect. But to me, that reminds me of the new Color Blends collection. And the colors are so pretty. So those stickers are kind of cool. You can use they have brand new wet erase markers in the very back of the academic planner, also in the very front, because the wet erase markers work really well for those sections. That is a general overview of the academic planner. But I'm going to take it a step further right now and show you the dimensions. A lot of people, when they are shopping for planners from Erin Condren, they want to know what's the size of this box. So I'm going to take a basic 12-inch ruler and let's find out. So that's the size of the boxes for your monthly spread. And I guess somebody might be interested to know, what is the size, what are the dimensions of these? If it were me, if I am planning what stickers I want to use or what washi tape or however I want to set this up, I would just round this up. This is 1.5, this is 2.5. That's how I would measure it. Let's measure this box. And so I hope that's helpful in knowing, as you're considering this academic planner, what the sizes are of the planning layout section on the inside and the little boxes here. Okay, lovelies, now that I've shown you everything this planner has to offer, let me tell you how you can win this planner. There are 3 simple things you need to do in order to enter the giveaway. 1, like this video. 2, subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. And 3, let me know in the comments below, have you ever used an academic planner before? And if so, what was your experience like with it? You need to do all 3 things in order to be considered for the giveaway to win the planner. So I will be randomly choosing a winner. And the deadline in order to do these 3 things are in the description box below. This planner retails for $40 or $45 US, depending on the customizations that you choose. Let me know in the comments below, would you spend $40 on this planner? Do you think an academic planner would be worth it, whether you're a student or not? I'd love your thoughts on that, so let me know. I have a detailed blog post on all Erin Condren's 2022 Back to School collection, and I am giving away several more items, including some of the things that you see here, like the dashboards and trackers and highlighters, calculator. I am even giving away the new kids reading log. So head over to my site, www.butterflyteacher.com. I have the link for this blog post in the description box below. But then you can see all of the other items in this collection, what I think of them, what I recommend them, and if you like them, you can enter to win several more items from me. So excited!